In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change labels in Microsoft Planner. So in order to change your labels in there, you just need to head over first to planner.cloud.microsoft in order to access it. From in there, proceed to click on the sign in option in order to sign in. You can also get Microsoft for your iOS as well as Android. Now in here, you need to take note that in order to access your Microsoft Planner, you need to have a paid subscription onto your actual account, or you need to be under an organization with a paid subscription to Microsoft. So do take note of that. Click on this sign in, input right here your email, phone, or Skype, and after that, head over and click on next. So from in there, you should be able to see your actual planner. So here is my planner. In order to change labels in there, you just need to select a task to open this detail. For example, right here, I have in here this task and it has a label of aqua. So you can already just click on that task. From in there, you can click on X for the label and then adding here the label that you wish to add. For example, you can add a lot of label for this as well. As you can see, I have added 3. So that is one way to do it. So for example, you want to do it faster than others. So in order to do that, I'll show you. If you want to actually assign labels to it faster, just hover to that task, click on the 3 dots, click on label, and choose right here the actual label that you wish to use. For example, choose in here this, and it's been added like that. You can just proceed to click on 3 dots, or you can already open the task itself into the open editor. So just choose which one you wish to utilize and which method you wish to use. You can change your actual label for this one as well by selecting the label that you want and then unchecking the other label. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.